you break your hip, I will film it.
I will film it.
What the Skittles? Yeah, alright.
Smooth. This lunchroom is freakishly tiny.
You're all very excited. Look at it, that's the whole thing! It's so small!
4 floors, but the arts building's outside. That's messed up.
I feel like going to the bathroom. Oh, son of a bitch.
Oh, the sink's right there.
That's it! It's the whole thing! Look at this! I'm like, can't even move! I'm peeing in a box. A cardboard box.
Might as well pee in that.
Yeah, it's a lot easier than this. I'm like, I can't even put my elbows out!
Huh. It was like being buried alive.
Are you serious?
Yes.
See it? That's all. Right, I love.
We're caught in a blizzard!
It's a freaking blizzard! I can't drive!
We're sliding!
Oh god! Ah! It's cool! It's cool! I got this! I got this! Amazing! Oh god! Hooray for slipping! Wow.
Turn slowly.
Stop! Oh god! That was terrifying! I almost got T-boned! I'm gonna drive like stupid slow and your mom can, because it's gonna take me a while. A long while.
It is an understandable while.
Okay.
We do not have snow tires
Or
either.
chain or, you know, anything. Prayers. Oh, got it. Got this.
Well, at least this road isn't as bad, though still fairly foreboding. The risk of death at 20 miles an hour.
Oh, God.
Turning.
Oh, Christ almighty. Turning.